Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes SystemSettings.exe suspended in Windows 11. Here's how to fix it. First method is disable all startup apps. Second method is change system configuration settings. Third method is change registry settings. Create new DWORD 32-bit named as global user disabled, change value data to 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.